When we talk about AMG cars, it's the sedans, coupes, and the big SUVs that come to mind. But the folks at Affalterbach, home of AMG, sure know how to pack a wallop even in their smallest of cars. And while Siddharth drove this AMG way back in 2020 in Portugal, it's been a long wait to see it arrive on our shores. But the wait surely feels worth it.
Well, it's a cold morning and what I really need is not to be lazy. And well, let's just say this energy drink won't cut it today. What I need though is something piping hot. No, actually make that scintillating hot. Well, let's just make it the hottest hatchback in town right now. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Mercedes-AMG A45S and we are driving it at the NATRAX.
Spread over 3,000 acres, the NATRAX Automotive Proving Ground includes the high-speed test track that measures 11.3 kilometers in length. It is the longest high-speed test track in Asia and the 5th longest in the world. Vehicles can attain a top speed of 375 kilometers per hour on the high-speed test track with 2-kilometer long straights and gentle banking on the long parabolic curves. So, it's just the place where you would want to test the hottest production hatchback in the world to its limits. And that's exactly what we did. And so we are driving the AMG A45S on the high-speed test track at NATRAX, and let's just say that this is a car of epic proportions. Don't go by its size, but go by its engine. 415 bhp, 500 Newton meters of peak torque, and it shows on the track. Well, we're doing well over 200 kilometers per hour. We're entering the parabola, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. It's an epic car. Because for a hatchback like this, the public roads just don't cut it. The Mercedes-AMG A45S packs the world's most powerful 4-cylinder series production engine under the bonnet. The S moniker adds 33 brake horsepower more than the standard A45, so India gets the more performance-friendly car in every sense. It gets a stiffer suspension, larger brakes, and even a different steering wheel. 0 to 100 km per hour comes up in 3.9 seconds, while the top speed is restricted to 270 km per hour with the AMG driver's package as standard. The new 4-cylinder engine is not only developed in Affalterbach but made there too. And the baby AMG arrives as a completely built unit in India. It also gets the 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive along with the turbocharged engine that further helps put down power on the tarmac with complete control. And now we're entering the straight. It's a 2-kilometer straight on the high-speed test track at the NATRAX circuit, and it's stable well over 250 kilometers per hour. And the best thing that comes to you is how composed the car really is. Now the AMG A45S is in a way the pinnacle of the A-class family, and it really shows. Now compare that to the A35, which is the next most affordable A-class that you get in India, and there is a world of difference in terms of performance. That is far more livable, it's far more smoother. This one though is all about acceleration and outright power. I really thought that was fast, but well, anything to prove you wrong, it has to be the A45S. The mighty 4-cylinder engine sounds manic and it's just so pleasing to the ear. You know what, let's just do that again because it sounds just so good. All that performance goes with what is easily the most stunning hatchback on sale in India. Look at it dead front and it looks like a baby AMG GT. The Pan Americana grille is gorgeous and it differentiates from the milder AMG 35 range. The muscular haunches on the bonnet add heft to the design and are specific to the 45 range. The slimmer multi-beam LED headlamps look mean, and you know right away it means business. The wider fenders accommodate the massive 19-inch alloy wheels, and the brake calipers are finished in a menacing red. At the rear, the signature LED taillights look beautiful, while the quad exhaust tips tell you that this is a purebred AMG. The A45S surely knows how to make a power statement. The cabin too is equally stunning with the AMG treatment all over. The sporty front seats have been accentuated by the yellow highlights and contrast stitching. The dual screens are rich in features and carry the latest MBUX user interface. Personalized themes, ambient lighting, access to vehicle settings and more. The screen does it all.
You can also select from the different driving modes, and the AMG A45S gets a dedicated race mode too. If you are feeling a little excited, there's a drift mode as well that will help you go sideways. And there's also the new AMG steering wheel with those lovely shortcut keys. Well, we Indians love hatchbacks, and well, this is the ultimate hatchback that you get in India right now. And in terms of space, well, it's a fairly nice space to be in, especially in the rear seats, because I wasn't expecting it to be a very spacious cabin, but it's decent enough. It's definitely larger than the previous generation A-Class hatchback. What you do get is decent enough legroom. The under-thigh support isn't great, but it's fairly okay. You do get a panoramic sunroof, and that really makes for a larger, roomier cabin, at least in the sense of it. And there's just enough headroom as well. All three passengers do get a headrest. You also get a armrest in the center with cup holders over here, and that's always a good thing. You also get ISOFIX child anchor mounts, as it should be, and also rear AC vents. So safety is covered and comfort is covered. However, where you really want to spend time is in the driver's seat. The Mercedes AMG A45S is as practical as the standard A-Class hatchback. You get a usable boot capacity of 370 litres, and the rear bench comes with a 40-20-40 split to further maximize the cargo space. But as far as practicality goes on our roads, the low ground clearance still means you need to be extremely careful of the nasty bumps. The A-Class hatchback lives on in this new AMG Avatar in India, but it is for those who like their hatchbacks fire-breathing hot. The A45S AMG is all about raw power. It snaps, growls, and will pounce on you as soon as you floor that pedal. Just what you need to get your heart rate through the roof every morning. It's no surprise then that the A45S AMG has very little competition in India. This is for the chosen few who can appreciate performance over size.